Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Apple report for Friday, February 9th, 2024.
But before I walk you through the charts, as usual, just want to encourage you to please click like if you haven't already. Subscribe to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel. Share the content, if you would, with friends and colleagues. And check out wickedstocks.com, where we offer a full suite of both daily and weekly analytical videos just like this one. Daily analysis in the SPY and the Triple Q, that is the S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100 ETFs. Weekly analysis in the S&P 500 Index, the NASDAQ 100 Index, the Long Bond ETF, the TLT, as well as 2 individual stock picks a week that you never see on YouTube. That is 8 a month that cater to the 3 to 5 week swing trader out to the 3 to 5 month near-term investor. We're always looking for at least 20% moves on those stock picks, and you can check out all of this for no cost for 5 days. We offer a 5-day free trial up front with a wickedstocks.com subscription. So sign up for wickedstocks.com, check it all out. If you don't like what you see within 5 days, you can cancel your subscription at no cost to you whatsoever.
Let's take a look at the chart. Start with the big picture, of course. Just a reminder that we are bullish into the second quarter above 177 and a quarter, anticipating new highs over the next month or two. And secondarily, we've got primary long-term support. We settled above in May and retested last fall, came off of it nicely. So even if we close below 177 and a quarter, and that's not going to happen today, but over the next few weeks, if we do, we would have about a 3 to 5 week sell signal back to this base of long-term support in the 163.22 to 164.64 area, where I would anticipate the market able to contain selling through the rest of the year. And from here, we can turn higher again. So holding above 177 and a quarter, I think we're just a month or two away from pushing to new all-time highs. In fact, holding above 177 and a quarter, I will show what our objective actually is. Lots going on here, but that 177 and a quarter on the daily chart is 176.22. We slipped into this general zone over the last month and a half, and just about was this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, just Monday of this week, we gapped and settled above this descending 183.97 speed line, which told me within 2 to 3 weeks, we can reach the 195.80 to 197.78 region. And so I would expect, it was really the same way. How should I put this? I'm fumbling here. Holding above 177 and a quarter, I'm expecting new all-time highs within a month or two. And over the next 2 to 3 weeks, I'm expecting the mid to upper 190s, where we can top out on a weekly basis. But over the next month or two, it's also me just saying that I expect the market to settle above 197.78 and continue onward and upward into the 200s in the weeks following that. But for right now, our 2 to 3 week framework is still buying pullbacks, if allowed, at 183.97, anticipating the 195.80 to 197.78 region over the next several weeks. And if over the next few days we close above 191.79, we should, within a full week of trade, reach 197.78. So we're 4 days into it. I considered 191.79 to be a 3 to 5 day target, and we would have to test it today for that to play out. I don't really have to hold to these things. I do see a sign of weakness with the settlement on Thursday below the 189.46 channel bottom. Now, it was very close, and so I'm reluctant to say that this is a significant sell signal that should yield 183.97 over the next few days, but it may pan out that way. And if you went short on Thursday's close with that settlement below 189.46, anticipating the low 180s, I don't have a problem with that. Just know that for the day, we do have some Fibonacci's on the way down. 186.54 is the 3/8 downside Fibonacci that we have yet to test following the Wednesday high. It can itself contain intraday weakness. And if we break below 186.54, then yes, today, 183.97 is in reach, where we can bottom out through next week. Once tested, 191.79 in reach within a week or two. And by this point in time, if we were to test 183.97, rather than 2 to 3 weeks, I'm more like 3 to 5 weeks, anticipating 195.80 to 197.78. So that is sort of the dynamic at play. Upside today, if we do push or open above 189.46, yeah, I see that as a significant upward pivot point. 189.46 is consistent with the high settlement prices earlier in the week. And I think if we push, especially if we open today above 189.46, 191.79 in reach today, where we can place a daily high. Potentially fall away from here in the later week. When I throw out these potentialities, I'm really kind of talking, I'm going from day trader to 3 to 5 day swing trader. I don't want to ignore either one. So 191.79 can contain session strength. And yes, the 3 to 5 day swing trade could roll back into the lower 180s following a test of 191.79. I will say that if we close today above 191.79, 3 to 5 day swing traders go long, stay long into later next week, expecting within 2 to 3 days 195.80, and by the end of next week 197.78, where profits can be taken, and 3 to 5 day and 2 to 3 week swing traders could go short. Inversely, if we close above 197.78, 3 to 5 day, 3 to 5 week, and even 3 to 5 month traders go long above 197.78. As we were slipping into the upper 170s, low 180s over the last month or two, the 3 to 5 month trader was told to go long, 2 to 3 month trader told to go long, and that will remain the case. So if we were to close today, and I don't see it, but over the next few days, if we close below 183.97, that is a go short signal, a sell signal. That's another way of saying it. Back into the mid to upper 170s, 176.22, 177 and a quarter. You've got that on the weekly chart, 177 and a quarter. That would be considered a 1 to 2 week target if we settle today below 183.97. So if we close today, and I don't expect this, but if we did close below 183.97, don't go home long over the weekend if your time horizon is anywhere from 3 to 5 days out to 2 to 3 weeks, because over that time frame, I would expect a retest of the upper 170s support, 177 and a quarter, able to contain selling through March, and once tested, we can round back up to new highs within a month or two of doing so. I hope that all made sense. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. We put out 2 stock picks this week alone. Alibaba on Tuesday. On Thursday, we put out Las Vegas. Why am I forgetting the name? LVS, Las Vegas Sands, the resort casino company, both of which are on the edge of meaningful buy signals. The early stages, they have yet to fully play out. So you can check all of the exact conditions for that by just signing up for wickedstocks.com. We offer 5 day free trial. So you could see all that and our daily Q, our daily SPY report, so forth and so on. Please click like, share, subscribe. I'll be back Sunday afternoon with Monday's Apple report. Of course, you have a great weekend.